Hello everyone, so we are back again with quadratics this time, and if already if you already know about linear algebra, it would be very helpful because then quadratic would be just one step ahead, okay? But if not, let's get go. Okay, so here let's talk about linear first because that's the first step and that's the second step. Okay, what about linear? Linear algebra means you can say in a graphical way that creates a line. The expression that only creates a line. So if linear algebra I'm talking about, let's say I'm talking about y is equals to 2x plus 3. Okay, so its line would be looking something like this. It's a straight line, right? So when you put x is 0, y is 3, like that. Okay, quadratics, just giving you a hint how would a quadratic graph would look like. So on this graph only, if I need to talk about quadratics graph, is either like a smiley, here, anywhere, like here, or a frown, like that, here, anywhere, right? Like this, okay? Or this, or this. It's a C curve. Anywhere it can be. Literally, it can be anywhere. A C curve, anywhere. That's it. Okay? That could be a quadratic curve. Okay? And this curve is known as parabola. I hope till here this is clear. Now, we are coming back to our algebraic way to solve how to deal with quadratics and everything. This was just a rough idea that what are we going to do in graph. Okay, let's talk about this one. Now, if you already know a little bit about algebra, we have expressions, we have equations, right? So expression means anything having constant, variable, terms, right? Okay, without equal to, as the name says, equal only comes here, equal. Okay, so if 2x plus 3 is my expression, 2x plus 3 is equals to 4 is going to be my equation. Easy, simple, sorted. If I ask 2x plus 3 plus 4y plus 5 is equals to 0, what is this? You just have to look at this equal sign. Is this an equal sign? Does this thing have equal sign? Yes, so it's an equation. Without overthinking, it's an equation. That's it. Okay. What would be expression if this was not here and just this part is an expression? Understandable? Okay. Now, just a recalling thing. If you already know about linear algebra, awesome. If you don't, let's understand what is degree of expression first. Like degree. Degree means highest power of variable. Is that okay? That's called degree. Okay. So I'm just writing 2x plus 3. Then I'm writing x square plus 4. Then I'm writing 5x cube plus x plus 6. Right? Okay. Out of these, which is linear, which is quadratic? Let's talk about that. I just said degree. If the degree is 1, it's linear. Easy. If the degree is 2, it's quadratic. Done? Now, let's talk about this one. Where is variable here? What is its power? What is the power? 1. What is highest power? 1. So this whole expression is linear expression. Now, what is the degree here? 2. What is the highest degree? 2. Quadratic expression. Easy? Okay. Last one. What is the degree here? It's 1 also, it's 3 also, right? Like, what is the power here? 1 also, 3 also. What is degree? Just the highest power, So, which is the highest power of my x? 3. So, 3 is the degree. Did I mention any 3 degree? Like, what is that called? No, right? So, this is called cubic expression. Just too much information, TMI, right? Okay. So, this is cubic expression, just that. And if they ask you which is linear, which is quadratic, this is not. Neither linear nor quadratic. So, right? Done. Till here, I hope it's making sense. And now we're going to go for quadratics. Let's talk about the factorization of all the quadratics. Quadratics, again, I'm talking about only expression, not the equation yet. So, how do you factorize? It's normal. It's as simple as like you factorize a linear one. Okay. So, out of these all, which one is quadratic first? A, power 2, highest power 2. Okay. B, quadratic. C, quadratic because highest power of variable. Okay. D, linear, right? Okay. So, how would you factorize this one? Can you factorize it? Is 3 coming common from these two? Is z coming common? Is 1 coming? No, nothing. So this can't be factorized. If they still ask you to write it, write the same thing again. That's it. Done. Now, how would you factorize this one? What is coming common? Here, this can be written as 7 times x plus. This can be written as x times 1, right? Why 1? Because I'm going to need it, right? So, now, what is coming common? X already. So, 7x remaining plus what is remaining? 1. Done. That's how you do factorization. Okay, this one, 4 times t plus 4 times t times t, right? What is coming common? 4 and t, both are coming common. Okay, what is remaining inside? Please do not put 0. Please do not put 0. Why? Because that's why I wrote here 1, right? Why? Because if nothing is with them, still 1 is getting multiplied. It's, it's multiplicative identity. Okay, so 1 here plus what is remaining? 4t again. Easy, sorted, done. Next one, 9 is coming common. 9 is remaining inside. 1 plus 9t square. I hope this is making sense. This is from here. This is the above part, right? This one as it is. Is that okay till here? If not, please do comment underneath so that you can ask some doubts from me and I'm gonna clear your doubts. So last but not the least, let's talk about some equations, quadratic equations, right? Okay. So what is going on here? We need to solve them. Solve them means find the value of x, right? How did we used to do it in linear? Okay, so if any of you do not know how to solve linear algebra, please do comment down below so that I can upload a next video of linear algebra first and then we can go for quadratic, okay? So how were we supposed to do it? Now x square is equals to 9. X square is equals to 9. I need to find the value of x. Like, what is that thing? Whose square gives you 9? So many of you are going to be saying 3. Yes, 3 is the right answer for x, but it's not the only right answer for x. There is another one as well, which is -3. Very crucial part. So there is going to be a pro tip in the end. Please watch till the end. Very, very important thing to do any kind of expressions or polynomials or anything, right? So not even quadratic, linear, cubic, I'm going to tell you in the end, okay, about the roots. So here, what is that thing whose square I'm going to do and then I get 9? -3 also, right? 3 times 3 gives you 9. -3 times a -3 gives you 9, right? So my x can be -3 and 3, right? But here, not together. It's not like, 3 times -3, right? So rather than me saying and, let's replace it with or. So one thing at a time. Either x is 3 here or x is -3 here, okay? Good. I hope you understood this part. Now here, suppose this is only x. What were we supposed to do? Take 9 to the other side and divide, right? Now this is x square. What do? X square as it is, 1 over 9. Now what is that thing I put here in place of x so that I get the value 1 over 9? Same thing, but 1 over, right? So 1 over 3 whole square gives you 1 over 9. -1 over 3 whole square gives you 1 over 9. Right? Making sense? So your x is 1 over 3, comma -1 over 3. I hope they are making sense. Okay. So this one is your homework. I hope you solve it properly and do comment the answer of x underneath. I'm going to give you a hint. There are going to be 2 answers of x. So do comment down below and that last tip. So that tip was, okay. So it's not about linear algebra, linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, anything, nothing like that. Okay. So any polynomial equation, right? So when you see the degree of it, okay, like 2x plus 3 is equals to 4, let's say, right? What is the x value here? 2x, 4 minus 3. I'm going to be doing step by step, right? X is equals to 1 over 2. So x value is half. How many values, how many answers are we getting of x? 1. 1 answer, right? Okay. We just did x square is equals to 9. How many answers did we get? X could be -3 or x could be 3. How many answers? Not asking what answers. How many? 2. Did you notice something? The degree is 2. I'm getting 2 answers. The degree is 1. I'm getting 1 answer. Okay. So I know I am not able to convince you for cubic one right now, but I have, if any of you have done already advanced, this is very basic for them, they can go check my advanced Olympiad questions where I'm dealing with complex numbers and everything. So there you're gonna get cubic equation, power 6 equation as well. So my tip is just try to find those many answers as of the degree. That's it. Okay. So here, do not stop at only 3. Oh, 3 is the answer. No. If there is 2 degree, try to find the other answer. If sometimes the answer is coming exactly same, then it's okay. 3 and 3 is coming. It's okay. Okay. But try to find the other answers as well. If anything you are having this, right? Try to find all the 3 answers. Here in this case, answer would automatically be 1, 1, 1, right? Or if this is the answer, like this is the equation, automatically the answer would be -1, -1, -1. Okay. But I'm just saying try to find the other answers as well. Okay. This is up to your level. This can go beyond as well. Okay. I'm not going to tell you right now. I'm just saying the polynomial equation can have at most those many number of roots as their degree. I hope this part is clear, and please make a note of it, and this is a very important part of the whole algebra. Okay. So I hope this was a good lecture for you, and do send me your other questions, other topic, other example. This was also one of the topic which one of our subscriber recommended. So yeah, that's it for today. Happy learning and do commenting. Goodbye guys.